This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mojito mint syrup. Let's dive into some super easy ways to elevate your drinks. This versatile syrup is perfect for adding a burst of fresh mint and a touch of sweetness to any beverage. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can transform a simple drink into something special. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your newfound mixology skills. For a classic mojito, start by combining 2 ounces of white rum with 1 ounce of your mojito mint syrup in a glass. Squeeze in the juice of 1/2 fresh lime for that essential citrus kick. Fill your glass with ice, then top it off with club soda. Give it a gentle stir and garnish with a fresh mint sprig. It's that simple and incredibly refreshing. Mojito mint syrup isn't just for cocktails. Try making a delightful mocktail by mixing 1 ounce of syrup with 2 ounces of fresh lime juice and 4 ounces of sparkling water. It's a fantastic non-alcoholic option. You can also drizzle a small amount over fresh fruit salads for a unique twist, or add about 0.5 ounces to your iced tea for a cool, invigorating treat. To keep your mojito mint syrup fresh, store it in a cool, dark place like your pantry for up to 3 weeks. If you prefer a stronger or milder mint flavor, feel free to adjust the amount of syrup you use. A good starting point is about 0.75 ounces. Experiment to find your perfect balance. And speaking of staying refreshed, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.